Hey everyone, this is Spicer McLeroy and welcome to my channel. For those returning, what's up? In this video, I will be critiquing a student who has been with me for 5 weeks with little to no experience in sculpting, anatomy, or ZBrush. I am very proud of these students and their continuing progression. I find that these videos allow me to give them a detailed critique and also show them how to fix it. They get to look back at these videos as much as they need to, and it really helps them learn faster. Make sure to follow and subscribe to my other channels linked below to see my artwork, time lapses, announcements of when I'll be streaming, and any future courses that I'll be opening up for enrollment. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate it, and I hope this video helps. Let's get into it. So first up is from the freshman class is Josh. All right, so overall pretty decent. All right, still getting that temporal line way off. It should be right around here. Okay, see how it's coming to a point. Okay, so the you're marking it in, but the form of it you're kind of missing out on. Right? So what we need to do is bring that right, and we can dig into zygomatic, and we can put in at least some hint of an ear here, and then we know we can fill that in. Okay, and then we can get this mandible line going here. Okay, get that going, and now what we need to do, go all the way back. So I really want to do a duplicate instead of changing the history, so we can see the difference at the end. Okay. Next thing was we need the angle of the jaw. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. And we just need to dig in all of this a bit more. And we have this going into the sternum, and this should be about 2 fingers wide. And this mastoid, sternocleidomastoid is coming from here. And fill that area in a bit as well. Okay. Next thing is that your chin's coming to a point. Okay, so kind of want something like that. Need a bit more of a ledge here, or just like this face. Right there. And you have duck lips because your nose isn't coming out enough. And you can put that right around there. And your lips are coming to a point. Okay. Next, the patella is leading the head, but again, we really need to watch that our temple is at least coming relatively close. Again, it seems like a lot of your sculpting just comes to this point here, which is, it's not a bad idea. It's just that there's more to it than that. It doesn't come to a point, but it does come right here. Like, right, let me get this. It does come to like right here, but then it goes, like, there's this other overall form that goes straight across, right? So, try to add that in there. But also, like these things, like right here, this eye, this brow is extremely important because everybody's going to be looking at the eyes immediately. So definitely just keep the rules of the eyes. If anything, just the eyes, and you'll get pretty far, right? go. And then you can see we've got a lot of concavity here, right? And then we need that little ledge. And the alar cartilage, the nostril, and we've got a little bit of thickness here that we can get away with. And the alar cartilage goes back into the nose here. Okay. And let's see what else. What else? Let's make sure that this orbit. I would dig in a bit more here. And get that nasal aperture, right? And then you got that infraorbital furrow right here. And the lips are just a bit too wide. And then you need to go back further. So you have like a ledge there instead of just puffing out. Throw that in there. That go down. Just generally, just not every person. It's just what I do. Then the modialis right here, the muscles all attaching there. And then the infraorbital furrow attach right there. The canthal tendon. Okay, got that. Could add a bit of fat here. Move that out. That there. And kind of hit that zygomatic. And get that angle of the jaw. And we could probably, oops, move this up there. Boom. And just make sure that this isn't too wide going outwards, right? Because it's got to wrap back around the eye. So we want to make sure that not going all over the place. And make sure the eyelid is equal distance. And I'm just kind of over accentuating everything so you can really see where these forms are changing, or at least intersecting. Right. And this is all just coming forward a bit too much. Got a lot of malar fat, but that's not what the character is, right? And I'll be doing a speed sculpt. I gotta listen to some audiobooks. Um, and so I'll definitely be working on that tonight. I should hopefully have it up tomorrow. I want to get been watching the ZBrush Summit. My fingers is itchy. They itching. Okay. See. What else? No, just move this nose around. And get kind of like the scopella going. And that's about it for this one. And again, this muscle is coming right behind the ear. Oh, it's coming from the mastoid down to the sternum, sternocleidomastoid. And whenever we get to body anatomy, we'll talk about the clavicle and all that, how it works and all that good stuff. Okay. And again, oops, we can bring that out. And now that we've got everything pretty much set, all right, we gotta have that line straight across from the orbit. That's probably what was throwing a lot of things off. Keep assuming everybody gets that right by now, but still don't. So I should probably start with that for all the other ones. Okay. Um, add in lots of brain room. Um, kind of splitting the head. Trying to make him look comic bookish. I think it might be the extremely large zygomatic. Yeah, probably what it was. And the eyes need a lot of work too, but we'll just stop here. We're already 16 minutes in. Right, but this is what we have, and that's what you came in with. Okay, so really enforce the zygomatic. Remember, like nothing is going over the zygomatic. You can pretty much after you knock in the zygomatic right here, you can pretty much mask it because nothing's going to change it. Nothing's going to go over it. Everything's going to meet it. Right. The only thing that we're going to have, if anything, on uh, people that are overweight is temporal mandibular fat right here. Okay, but that's not on this guy. So you should really see all this stuff going on, right? And then everything's just too far forward in your malar eminence right here, um, where the zygomatic turns is non-existent because everything's so fleshy up here. So I just pushed all that back, right? So we'll get that, and we'll switch back to this one. Ready? And also we hit the glabella and the bridge of the nose, and then it came out, right? Which gave us this little hit. And also my septum is leading and my nostrils behind it. You have everything lining up, so you need to move that forward. And also I have this deep definitive line where the chin is separated from the upper lip, right? Your bottom lip is pushed up and mine is coming down. Also, you have jowling going on, which makes him like 10 years old, right? 10 years older. And then, well, I could probably fix that still right around there. I put the hint of an ear in here to kind of fill this area where you have it, empty, and adjusted the overall cranium and all that stuff. And we won't go into the sternocleidomastoid, but also my My zygomatic is in the right spot, right? And yours is really good. Okay, so stop doing that. Don't ever do that again, Josh. You understand me? Do you hear me? This took me 18 minutes to fix it. Okay? We want to bring this down to 5, maybe 10 maximum, right? So, so stop putting your zygomatic in the wrong spot. Okay? Start there. And we'll be good. Okay? Alrighty. So who is next?